Alright, this is the Besign LS10 Aluminum Laptop Stand. I actually have another one of these, which prompted me to buy this one for my workspace, for my work laptop. I have two regular monitors and my work laptop powers everything, and this is great because it helps me organize my space, and also it's very ergonomic. So for this laptop stand, it nicely holds my laptop, which is on the smaller side, but it is sturdy enough to hold larger ones. I do have a larger laptop that is, I want to say it's like 14.8 inches, and it fits it nicely. I use that upstairs to watch Netflix. And it's very adjustable. That's what I love the most about it. So if I have work, I have it up here, or if I'm not using it, I can put it down. I'll show you without it off and on the side. This whole bar is adjustable in two ways. You can go up, and you can adjust it that way if you need to, whatever works for you. You can also have it all the way down, like that. However you need your laptop or an iPad or some sort of handheld device that would be raised up would work well with this. And this hole right here is for ventilation. Now this is the black one. I got this so it would match my workspace. So according to the listing, this does work for any laptop, HP, Lenovo, Dell, Apple, anything that ranges from 10 to 15.6 inches, which that's great. Very sturdy. I mean, I'm putting a lot of weight on this and it's not budging. And it moves very nicely when you do need to move it in a different position. And it stays there. I don't ever have to worry about it slowly moving down over time. I haven't had that problem. But it nicely keeps everything that I need at the right height all the time. So that's what I like about it. Thanks for watching.